Wow! Ano yun? Nasa packaging na, oh, this is made from...
No, it's specified on the website. So this is made of squirrel, horse, boar, goat.
Oh, no.
And then it's specific to your skin types. If you have sensitive skin, you have no choice but to use squirrel makeup brushes kasi it's softer on the skin.
But if you're
Hindi magaspang.
But there are also options na if you're conscious na you want something out of like other than animals.
Yeah,
there are synthetic kinds.
Yeah.
Yung mga...
But there's really up to you because right now synthetics are more they're better made now because before masakit talaga siya skin.
Now nag-improve.
Now nag-improve na siya. And then some are also like blending two different types of fiber into the brushes. They have like this one. This is made of goat and synthetic, so this is good for foundation.
This is a mix.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It's nice naman they're trying to
And
lean
then
towards...
this one is synthetic.
Maybe someday
so
sa
can you
sobrang
feel the
ganda na ng
difference?
synthetic, di na kailangan mag-ano
So can you feel the difference? With
I guess this is much softer.
Yeah.
I see.
So if you have sensitive skin, this might be like masakit for you.
I see.
Hindi ko dinadala ang aking squirrel brush kasi una, mahal siya. Tapos,
naka-display lang siya sa...
No naman, like it depends kasi squirrel, if you have oily skin, when you use squirrel brushes on the face, it's gonna pick up all of the oils from your skin.
Wow.
Tapos it's gonna clump up the brush head. So you have to clean it again. Yeah. But goat is more effective kasi it holds its shape beautifully and it doesn't absorb the oils from the skin.
Oh, so it really matters. And since it's synthetic...
Si synthetic naman, you can use it for... Sorry, look up a little bit. Mag-eyeshadow lang ako habang chumichika. Synthetic, you can use it for cream products. So it depends on you as well. But what I don't like about synthetic fibers is that una masakit. Not everybody can tolerate the fiber on their skin. Tapos minsan pa nadi-deform siya.
So kailangan i-replace more often.
Okay. And then the problem also with that is for the price. Pareho lang yung price ng synthetic at saka natural fiber brushes. Close your eyes, please.
Really? How often should you brush your brushes?
What do you mean?
Brush your brushes.
Clean?
Clean your brushes pala kasi.
You have to clean it as often as needed. So, example, if you're someone who's using it for your personal use, you can clean it once a week.
Once a week?
Yeah. Pero if you have the brushes that you use for foundation, concealer, yun talaga you have to clean it after using.
Really?
Yeah. Kasi magbi-build up yun sa brush head mo. Tapos it's going to also develop bacterial growth, fungal growth. So just for cleanliness sake lang.
That's true.